So I can stand here for a long time and tell everybody in this room thank you very much. But I was living off a motto that Jim Valvano used to say, and for you young guys, look that up. He used to say, never give up, never give up, never give up. I also have to thank my girlfriend Bobby in the back of the room, because when I was having rough days and just exhausted and run down and tired, and my army demons were messing with my brain, she would just go to class. What else you gonna do? Just go to class. This program is set up for complete 100% success. All you have to do is believe in it. Don't fight it, don't deny it, just believe in it. These instructors here were sitting in this room learning just like you are, just like we are, just like I have been. And they never gave up. And they continued to come to class, and then all of a sudden they had a job here, and they were teaching the next generation and the next class. This place is set up for success. I didn't know, but I looked up on the webpage the other day, and there was a picture there of the future is aviation, with all our cool little planes there. Well, it's true. Blue Line is the future. It is what everybody else wants to do and what everybody else wants to emulate. Good luck trying to get there, because you guys have struggled with it and finally got it to where it's at today. And like you just said, Cody, it's the best school in the nation right now. We've all been here, we've all struggled, but we've all succeeded and passed. The ones that are still trying to do it, I wish you all the best. Trevor, my man, love you. And every one of you other instructors that have helped me along the way, Anthony, I can't even name them all off, but thank you very much for helping me get through this, because I had a lot of demons I had to defeat in my own brain, and for me to be able to succeed and do this, I just want to say thank you very much. Where you're not allowed to ring the bell. If you ring the bell, that means you've quit, and you've packed up your bag and gone to the shack of shame. But Bobby told me I'm going to ring this bell. So I'm going to knock out the old me, I'm going to bring in the new me.